Hello guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to assess your JAMB 2026 syllabus on the DTW JAMB CBT app. Okay, so all you need to do is just come to Classroom. All right, come to Classroom, click on Classroom. Then these are the subjects. All right, Classroom is where you get your notes, your video lectures, your flashcards when you click on any of these subjects. Okay, so let's say for example accounts. So when you click on accounts, all right, it loads up. The first thing you see, okay, usually up here, let me quickly close this. Okay, usually up here is your JAMB syllabus. That's the first thing, and this is it. This is your JAMB syllabus. So all you need to do is it's already on it. When you open it, the first thing you see is your JAMB syllabus. So you just scroll to see everything that you need to study. Recommended textbook are also down there, and just right here on the left hand side are the subjects, the things you need to read, okay, that covers everything in the syllabus. All right, the topics under accounting. Okay, so it's the same also for if you want to enter, let's say, chemistry. All right, you go into chemistry, come here to syllabus, topic outline. This is the chemistry syllabus. Can you see all this? All right, down here, go down. Chemistry, I think it's about how many topics you have to cover. Okay, chemistry has great grandchildren. Can you see them? All right, so and these are the recommended texts, of course, Abagio being number one. All right, so this is how to assess your syllabus on the DTW JAMB CBT app. So all you need to do is come to Classroom. Okay, just come to Classroom, come here, click on Classroom, and you have them here. Go to your subject. So to access all this, you need to activate, and to activate it costs 4,000 naira to activate the DTW JAMB CBT app. All right, to access all the practice, the past questions, your notes, your flashcards, and everything. It costs 4,000 naira to activate. It's not scam, guys. Okay, so WhatsApp us. Our details is on the app. That go on Google Play Store, download it freely. Download on Google Play Store, on Apple Store. Download the DTW JAMB CBT app and message us to activate with 4,000 naira, and immediately you activate. It works totally offline. All right, and it's for a year, a one-time fee payment. So thank you guys, and stay blessed. You're destined to win. That is DTW tutorials, and don't forget, Jesus loves you. Come to him today. Thank you.